Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to call forwarding in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. Guys, first of all, for this, all you guys have to do just go to call logs and then click to settings. So as you see that we don't have any option of call recording here. Now just tap to advanced setting, and yes, we don't have any option of call recording in this page too. So just confirm it on accessibility and no any option about it. So all you guys have to do just go back, as we are now using a third party application for this feature. So just go to Play Store and then search for Call Divert. So this is the application, by the way, Call Divert forwarding. Just install this application and then open it. After that, if you want to enable call forwarding, all you guys have to do just click on enable and then enter the number here which you want to set, and then click to divert call when busy, divert call when mobile is switched off or no coverage, divert call when not responding, divert call for all above condition. You can select the condition. Firstly, you add the number and then select the condition. So this is how we can enable call forwarding in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. This application, by the way, this application contains ads, but don't worry, this is a free application. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.